Just add alcohol to fabric softener and even the neighbors will smell the fragrance of your house. It's incredible. Yes, that's right, folks, and it's truly amazing. For our tip, we'll start by adding 1.5 caps of fabric softener. We'll also need 1.5 caps of alcohol, and folks, this mixture is very potent. Few people know what it can do in your house, and today you'll learn. Did you add it here? You'll also add a cup of water here. It's approximately 200 milliliters of water. Added here and now, just mix everything very well. And what are we going to do now? You'll transfer this mixture to a spray bottle, which will make application much easier. So use a funnel to prevent waste, and we'll pour our entire mixture in here. And to finish, folks, we're also going to add cloves. You don't need a lot. This amount is sufficient. This ingredient will play a very important role. Did you add the cloves? It's important not to close the spray bottle. You're going to let this mixture sit for about an hour. Okay? So, we'll let it sit here. I'll show you soon. Well, folks, after the time has passed now, you can come here and close the spray bottle, and it's ready now. And what did we just make? This, folks, is a wonderful homemade room freshener. That's right. You can spray this product in various corners of your house, on curtains, on the sofa, bedding, rugs, and you have no idea. It will leave your house incredibly fragrant, and that's not all. Due to the cloves, it will also help repel insects, and also cloves have a very pleasant smell. But the main purpose is to help repel insects from your house, especially mosquitoes. All right, so that's it. If you're used to buying those air fresheners from the market, you don't need to anymore. Use this in your home, and I'm sure it will be extremely fragrant, especially if you use it in strategic places like the ones I mentioned. Sofa mattress, clothes in the wardrobe. Don't be surprised when your neighbors start ringing your doorbell all the time. They'll ask you what the secret is to your house smelling so good that it can be sensed from a distance. For those who love a clean and super fragrant house, this is one of those tricks you see on the internet that you need to try. I'm sure you'll thank me 1,000,000 times. Then you can tell them that you mixed alcohol with fabric softener. Surely they'll be as puzzled as you were when you started watching this video, but soon after, they'll understand, and everyone will make this mixture that is simply magical. Please give it a try. I'm certain that after this, fabric softener will have more than just the function of perfuming clothes. It will perfume the entire house. If you made it this far, tell me which city this video reached.